about what can go right.
It's an honor itself to honor this spectacular event and a beautiful audience who has become a part of this virtual event. And it will help us to take it to the sky. I, Rajesh Shukla, with my co-host Arya, welcome you all on behalf of GMIS family. Thank you all for giving us your precious time.
Now we have our event secretary Anushka Katiyar to welcome you all. If you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things. We Gorvians deem it to have an honor and privilege to welcome on board all renowned educational institutions, worthy students and teachers to the exclusive platform of Gaurav Memorial International School's first virtual inter-school competition, Youth Zest 2021. I, Anushka Katiyar, extend a warm welcome on the behalf of MD Ma'am, Management of School and entire Gorvian fraternity. As the torchbearers of education, we envision an education system that breeds inspiration and innovation and kindles the dormant forces, faculties and talents of the students. The school channelizes these thoughts and energies into the right direction by giving the students more opportunity in academic and non-academic fields. The school provides each student diverse education with a safe and supportive environment that promotes self-discovery, motivation and excellence in learning. Youth Zest is a platform to illustrate and outshine, to applaud and to be applauded, to showcase the light within and the rev in the self-discovery. As we Gorvian set up a stage for an event that aims values like the spirit, hope, solidarity and rising above glitches in life, by seeing your participation to join us for a trailblazing array of activities. Let us show the young learners to set wheel and motion. Thank you.
Thank you, Anushka. Shubham karoti kalyanam arogyam dhan sampada shatru buddhi vinashaya deep jyotir namostate.
Light is a symbol of brightness and prosperity. As sunlight expels the darkness of night, similarly, blessings bring in our life prosperity and happiness. To make this event a blessed one, invoke Goddess Saraswati by kindling the lamp of knowledge and wisdom. For seeking the choicest blessings for the same, I invite our Vice Chairman, Mr. P.K. Katiyar sir, our MD ma'am, our Vice Principal ma'am, and all the teacher in charges to kindle the lamp.
Mother, we pray for your blessing with all humility. Give us wisdom to make this world a better place. May all human beings live in harmony with nature and other forms of life. May the truth prevail. May the darkness of ignorance be swept away by the dawn of self-realization. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samprabha Nirvignam Kurume Dev Shubhkaryeshu Sarvada.
Lord Ganesh is always worshipped first in our Hindu religion. He clears the obstacle and paves the way for us to move forward in life. The large elephant head of Lord Ganesh symbolizes wisdom, understanding and discriminating intellect. that one must possess to attain perfection in life. So, how can we forget to pray Ganpati Bappa in our function?
So let's call upon the stage our dance group with the Ganesh Vandana.
We all are feeling the positivity which our Lord Ganesha has given us.
Now, we are honored and humbled to call our event president of Youth Zest, Ashish Joseph. Without his help, support, commitment and strong leadership quality, we would have not been able to meet the challenge.
A warm greeting to one and all present over here. I, Ashish Joseph, welcome you all to Youth Zest 2020. Productivity is never an accident. It is always the result of commitment to excellence, intelligent planning and focused effort. Even this pandemic has not stopped us to climb the walls, to reach to the sky, to move ahead beyond our limits. It can look us behind the doors, but cannot lock our spirits. With the same high spirits, me and my team welcome all the institutes to participate in the festive Youth Zest organized by our school, GMIS. This year, we have come up with our new events which will enroll us. Some of them are tricky quarantine, spur of the movement and fitness free. I feel very content to live by the vision of Gaurav Memorial International School. I foresee this mega fiesta to be a part of the Hall of Fame and shall be looked at the back at with smiling faces and happy memory. Unity is strength when there is a teamwork and collaboration. Wonderful things can be achieved. The most successful event is the one that achieves our goals and exceed our expectations. I wish you all good luck. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashish. Greatness of a school cannot be described in mere words. So, it's put out in the form of beautiful harmonies. One such song is our school song. So I would like to present our school choir in front of you all.
Shall be a
choir.
Now, it's time to introduce some of our alumni who are at respectable places right now, and they have taken out their precious time for our event Youth Jest.
Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing very well. My name is Ritesh Kumar Verma. I am the alumni of Gaurav Memorial International School. I joined Gaurav in 2006 when I was in 6th standard and passed out in 2012. After that I prepared for IIT JEE for a year and got into IIT Delhi in 2013. I did my bachelor's in chemical engineering from IIT Delhi and graduated in 2017. Currently I am running my own startup, The New Art. We are a team of artists and designers and we do hand painted artworks on the walls. We have been in operation since January 2018 and so far we have done more than 320 artworks all over India. I can say with immense pleasure that I love my work very much and it has been an incredible journey so far. Now I am supposed to share my insights, my experiences for you to learn from. But I'll be very frank and would say that, I am as good as any one of you. Just like you, I'm also involved in this everyday hustle, trying to make things work. I think it's still a long way to go before I achieve something quite promising, which I can flaunt about. But based on my experiences, I still think that there is one thing which I would really want to talk about, which is that never ever think less of yourself. Never think that you cannot do something. Never think that you are not capable of something. Never think that you have certain limitations and you cannot push them. I think we all have different strengths and the idea is to identify our strength and keep working to make it better so that we can compete at a bigger stage, right? See, all of us cannot be very good at academics. All of us cannot be very good at sports, or let's say all of us cannot sing well, dance well, or speak very well. But all of us have one or two key things which we surely can do and which we are really passionate about. Now, some of you might have identified your strength, but I'm sure that most of you must be trying to find it out. And that's the idea. The idea is to identify our strength and keep working to make it better every day. Now, that's how I would like to sign off. Let us all keep looking for what we are really good at and let us try to be best at it. See you soon.
Well wishes to everyone who's present in the room. I was a student at Gaurav Memorial International School, just like yourself, who are there right now. Then I studied electrical and electronics engineering from Manipal University, Jaipur, and I graduated in 2016. After that, I moved to Uppsala, Sweden, and I have been pursuing my master's in renewable electricity production since that time, and I graduated in 2019. That was last year. I was also a delegate to the United Nations Climate Change Conference that happened in Katowice, Poland. After that, I have been working in Northvolt AB, making the greenest batteries for the commercial vehicles in the world, as a project engineer in manufacturing, and later now as a project manager for blueprint operations, standardizing operations all throughout the different factories that we have. I would like to say that I have been in your shoes right at that exact spot that you are. It has been a great honor to actually talk to everyone once again, and this actually brings back a lot of good and cherished memories. It's been a few years since then, but it still feels like yesterday that I was there and taking those first steps in my life. I assure you that you all are in great hands, and this is where I actually took my first major step in life, discovering myself and trying to step forward in life. About 2020, I would say that 2020 has been one for the books. I mean, that we can all agree upon. We need to clear our minds and open our eyes to better see the situation that we are in. It's time to anchor ourselves to the better nature and redefine some of our activities and habits that we have. It is time to respect ourselves and each other. It is time to remember our values and listen to our elders, especially them. This is the time in India when we are under construction, trying to move forward without any complications and finding the best way forward. Going through every day, it's like a pain to function right now with all the things that is happening at the moment, and we need to meet in the middle of our journey. We really need to work hard, sacrifice, and earn our way to where we need to go, and no one else is going to do that for us but us ourselves, and we have to know that. There is no fancy algorithm or any hack at this moment that holds the key. It starts with us looking in the mirror, all of you and me. This is the time when we should reveal ourselves, revive and testify the situation. The truth is in front of us, and there is no lie to that, and we have to start playing better at this game, which is life. We need to take precautions, respecting everyone, social distancing, and strive forward. We need to start building bridges and doing our part in society, loving each other like ourselves, and making amends with each other. So we have to expect more from ourselves in this situation. So that we can have faith in each other, just like we have in ourselves, and do the right thing, not just alone but together. We really need to rise instead of bowing down to this pandemic. We really need to create the opportunities for not just for I but for all of us, we. This is the time when I would say that we need to come together, wear a mask, and do your part, and we shall rise from this situation stronger and together. Let's turn this red light to green. I believe that this green light is going to be built on the values that we can enact right now. Those values of fairness, kindness, accountability, resilience, respect, and courage. Thank you very much.
Hello there everyone, Saurabh Kashyap here. Hope you all are doing well. Let me first introduce myself so that we become more familiar. I passed out in 2018 batch from Gaurav Memorial International School and cleared my MUCT entrance exam in 2019 with AIR 1849. Recently, I am in Merchant Navy and have completed my college from Yak Maritime Institute. I've got a sponsorship from renowned company Scorpio India Limited.
Hello everyone, this is Soumya Pal, belonging to the first batch of this Golden Heritage, which is GMIS. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the organizers for organizing an activity like Youth Zest in this tough time. Here I am asked to motivate you all from career point of view. I think the best way to do so will be by sharing my journey as a lawyer till date. After completing my graduation, I have joined Faculty of Law, Delhi University through all India competitive exams, and knowing about Indian law was thrilling for me, and that motivates me for further studies. So I did my LLM, and after completing my studies, I worked with a reputed advocate of Supreme Court of India and benefited from his experience. At present, I'm dealing with all kind of cases, criminal, civils, matrimonial disputes in Delhi High Court and Supreme Court of India. Throughout my journey, I came across many challenges, ups and downs, but the key is according to me is persistence. With this, I would like to conclude, and again I will congratulate you all for the success and for choosing the right career according to your area of interest. Thank you.
Hey guys, hi, my name is Mohit Singh and I was a student of GMIS back in 2012. And first of all, I really wish that all of you are safe and healthy and your families are safe and healthy too. And I want to congratulate entire team which is organizing this fest, that they are able to do it in these COVID conditions, and kudos to that. I'll tell you about myself. After intermediate, I did my graduation from IERT Allahabad. Post that, I did my MBA from National Institute of Industrial Engineering. And उसके बाद यार मैंने internship की Swiggy में. I got pre-placement offer from Swiggy, and right now I am senior manager in Swiggy and I'm handling operations.
Thank you so much, sir, for your motivational words.
So now we are proceeding with the first event of the day, Real Steel and Code Machine. So I hereby request all the respective participants to go through their event group and get the latest updates about their event. Thank you.